Years ago, I watched an old repairman mix cement in a way I had never seen before, and the block he made felt strangely light in my hands, but refused to crack when I tested it. That moment stuck with me for years. Today, I want to show you that same idea, step by step, using simple materials you can find at home, so you can make a lightweight concrete block that still holds up when it counts. First, you prepare the styrofoam and acetone mixture. Take clean styrofoam and cut it into small pieces with a utility knife. Then break it further with your hands so it dissolves faster. Place the pieces into a glass or metal bowl, never plastic. Slowly pour in acetone until the styrofoam is fully covered. Before we move on, share your city and state. It helps me make better projects for you. You will see it collapse and melt almost immediately. Stir gently with a wooden stick until it turns into a thick, sticky liquid. Do this step in a well-ventilated area and keep your face back from the bowl. The smell is strong, so take your time and stay safe. This mixture is the key that makes the final concrete lighter without losing strength. Now prepare the regular cement mix. Pour clean water into the tray, with cement a little at a time. Use a trowel or stick and mix slowly until you get a smooth, creamy paste. You want it wet enough to blend easily, but thick enough to hold its shape without running. Now move to the second tray and mix the cement with the acetone styrofoam blend. Add the sticky mixture slowly into the dry cement while you stir. Sprinkle in a small amount of fiberglass and keep mixing until everything is evenly combined. Wear gloves and a mask here because fiberglass can irritate your skin and lungs. Keep stirring until the mix looks uniform and slightly elastic. You will notice it feels lighter than normal cement, but it still holds together well. Before pouring, prepare the molds so everything releases cleanly later. Take a plastic mold and brush a thin, even coat of used motor oil on the inside. This step saves you a lot of trouble when it is time to remove the blocks. Now pour the lightweight cement mix with acetone styrofoam and fiberglass into one side of the mold. Tap the mold gently on the table to release trapped air. In the other side of the same mold, pour the regular cement mixed with water. Level both surfaces with a small trowel so they sit flat. Use a marker to label the lightweight block as number 1 and the regular cement block as number 2. Place the mold on a flat surface in a dry shaded area and leave it untouched for 48 hours so both samples can cure properly. While you are waiting, let me show you another useful job. This same mix can do around the house. Take 2 regular bricks and brush a thin, even layer of the mixture onto one flat face of each brick. Press the two bricks together firmly and set them aside for about 2 hours. Do not clamp them. Just let the mix do the work. After that time, pick them up and give them a good shake. They stay locked together and do not slip. Even when you tap them with a hammer, the bricks hold tight and do not separate. This is a simple way to see how strong this mix really is using materials you already know and trust. After 2 full days, remove the blocks from the mold. Thanks to the oil, they should come out clean without cracking. Wipe off any excess residue and let them air dry for a few minutes. Now, place each block on a scale. You will immediately notice the difference. The lightweight block feels almost surprising in your hand, while the regular cement block feels solid and heavy. This simple weighing step clearly shows how much material weight you save with the modified mix. Now, it is time for a simple water test that tells you a lot. Fill a bucket or tub with clean water and place it on a steady surface. Gently lower the lightweight block into the water and watch what happens. You will see it float instead of sinking, which shows how much air is trapped inside the mix. Next, place the regular cement block into the same water. It sinks straight to the bottom without hesitation. This side-by-side test makes the difference easy to understand. You can see with your own eyes how the lighter block behaves while still keeping its solid shape. This lightweight concrete block proves you can build something useful with simple materials and a bit of patience. If you enjoy practical home experiments like this, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with a friend who loves fixing and building things at home.